You may not realize it, but algorithms influence your daily life more than you think. From social media posts to search results, algorithms decide what content you see. But how do they work? 1. Social media algorithms, feeding you what you like. On platforms like Instagram and TikTok, algorithms track what you like, comment on, and spend time viewing. They then show you more of that content to keep you engaged. While this makes your feed relevant, it also creates an echo chamber, reinforcing your interests and limiting exposure to new ideas. 2. Search engines, personalized results. Search engines like Google use algorithms to tailor results to your behavior, search history, location, and preferences. While this personalization saves time, it limits the variety of information you see by prioritizing what's expected. 3. Streaming recommendations. Platforms like YouTube and Netflix suggest content based on your viewing habits. While convenient, it encourages binge watching and keeps you hooked on similar content. Final thought: algorithms simplify your online life, but also shape what you see and influence your behavior. Understanding how they work helps you make more informed choices online.